Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Zwift with Rovi, with MyWhoosh and with KinoMap, the things that you have to be aware of and if you're choosing between these. So first thing first, the Zwift. Largest community user base. Events have like 30 to 60 participants and this is something great. It's very good for racing. You have like team leagues here, third-party competition like Acro, Florush Racing, a gamified experience, levels, badges, power-ups, achievements, all of that you got there. Excellent custom workout creator, very user-friendly interface. Also strong social features, teams, Discord integration, in-game messaging, virtual shifting works perfectly. But the cons is the most expensive, right? You have like about like up to €20 a month for like 180. You see right here like 200 a year or €20 a month. Cartoonish 3D graphics. So this is another thing, is that it's kind of having like not really just like Minecraft, but this is like the Fortnite, right? When you're gonna look at it, I mean, maybe you don't mind it, maybe you like it, but it's kind of like gone here. These are not real world tours, so it's only like virtual worlds only, and limited route availability, only 3 locations at a time. So that's for the Zwift. Now on the other hand, with the Rovi, you have real world video footage. Feels like actually being there, as you can see right here. Now when actually doing it, you have like huge library of real routes, official Ironman challenge event courses, built-in drafting indicator, cheaper than Zwift. So that's like another thing that kind of like be aware of. And then clean, easy to navigate interface. And now when we're gonna go even further, what you're gonna get as a cons, you have smaller community. So you have like 2 to 14 people for the events. No team racing, leagues like Zwift, Zero, can edit custom workouts, virtual shifting issues, may run out of gear, no gear customization, course stops when finished, and 3D avatars can look out of place in real video footage. So again, but still it's possible if you want to have like different graphic. Now when we're gonna dive even further, we have the Whoosh. So it's free, and this is something that you can like download it. You can just like download it right here, and you can just like download it where you want. So Whoosh, high quality 3D graphics, what you're gonna actually get. Also a good workout creator, structured workout design, clean non-overwhelming menu design, official UCI esports platform, big prize pools, multiple virtual worlds to explore. But again, with MyWhoosh, you have like smallest community with it. Okay, limited route library, only 3 to 4 regions available. Virtual shifting, needs additional software, workout duration editor. Some people like even reported data loss and crashes, but still maybe you would kind of like it, and maybe you would like it too for using. Now the KinoMap, this is something that I want to share with you as a last thing. It's kind of like the indoor training here. So tens of thousands of roads, multi-sport cycling, lifetime license option available, affordable subscription, multiple sessions, upload your own GPS track, wide equipment. The cons, it's like kind of like the drafting and racing features. File shorts in motivational system, video quality varies, only available on iOS and Android. So that's something to be aware of. And device pairing can be confusing. So that's pretty much it for it. Now, for racing and also community, you can go with Zwift. With race courses, practice, realism, you can go with a Rovi. With MyWhoosh, you can go with a budget conscious, you know, when you want to have like cheaper. And KinoMap is for like multi-sport, run, a row, cycle, you can go with the KinoMap. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value. I just want to make this quick and effective for you, and have a great day and goodbye.